Hello friends, with previous tank models you would have to get the Pro model to get the projector. The base model did not come with the projector, so we have to do a projector test on this one. The projector is located up here at the top of the phone, and you push this button here to get to it right in the center of the screen. So it activates the projector, and then it projects the screen on the wall. So we can do something like open up Google Chrome here. And then we can now play this video on the screen there. One of the cool things with the projector is it auto adjusts for the angle you're pointing it at. Now if I move this down low and I point it up, since the projector is at an angle, the bottom is narrower than the top, but it makes the image in the center. It adjusts it accordingly. So the actual video you're watching is not distorted, even though the projector is displaying at an angle. So we're gonna go back up again. Let's get it level with the camera here. Point it straight at the wall. Yeah, there we go. So the video that is showing there is square with the projector. When we lower it way down, like this, and there we go. Now it makes the video square to the viewer, but the projected image is wider at the top, narrower at the bottom. And then we move this up, and we point it down. And the projected image is wider at the bottom, narrow at the top, but then it fixes the actual video so it's square to the viewer. So let's move it back here again. It'll adjust. There we go. And then let's go ahead and play this video. This is copyright-free music. And we're going to go ahead and turn the volume all the way to max to kind of get an estimate of how loud it is. Okay, that's pretty decent. If you were watching with a couple friends projecting it on the wall instead of everyone gathered around the screen, you would get, you would all be able to hear it, but you'd have to be quiet. You couldn't do it in a noisy area. Now, one of the interesting things with this is the projector being at the top of the phone, projecting towards the wall, means that if you're full screen, the image here is perpendicular to where you're watching. And then if you make this the direction that the viewer is looking at, now the image on the wall is turned sideways. And then I guess if you turn the screen off, it turns this image off. So you can not be distracted by this one being perpendicular to what you're viewing. Now, this thing does have a powerful fan that runs through it. So there is an air intake here and an air exhaust up here by the projector. And if you listen carefully, you can hear that fan running at max power. It is a distractingly noisy fan.